Have you ever wondered how some companies thrived, even when the world shifted overnight to remote work? Think back to early 2020. Offices emptied, commutes disappeared, and suddenly, living rooms became boardrooms. For many businesses, it was a scramble to adapt, to figure out how to keep teams connected and productive when they were physically apart. But for others, like RingCentral, this wasn't a sudden crisis, but rather an acceleration of trends they were already embracing. They were, in many ways, ahead of the curve. The seismic shift to remote and hybrid work models wasn't just a fleeting trend. It fundamentally reshaped the way we operate. Businesses realized that location no longer dictated productivity, and a global talent pool became accessible. This new landscape presented both challenges and immense opportunities. How do you maintain a cohesive company culture when colleagues are spread across time zones? How do you ensure seamless communication, secure data, and efficient collaboration without the traditional office setting? These were the questions that suddenly became paramount for every organization, from startups to multinational corporations. And that's where companies like RingCentral stepped in, or rather, continued to innovate. For years, they've been at the forefront of cloud communications, building platforms that enable people to connect and collaborate from anywhere. The pandemic simply highlighted the critical need for what they already offered, a unified communication as a service or UCaaS solution. UCaaS essentially brings all your communication tools, voice, video, messaging, fax, team collaboration, and even contact center solutions into one integrated platform. Imagine having your phone system, video conferencing, and team chat all in one app, accessible from your laptop, tablet, or phone. That's the power of UCaaS, and it's been absolutely instrumental in enabling the remote work revolution. RingCentral's core philosophy has always revolved around flexibility and connectivity. Even before the widespread adoption of remote work, they embraced a hybrid model themselves, allowing employees to work from home to ease commutes and support work-life balance. This meant they weren't starting from scratch when the world went fully remote. They already understood the nuances of managing distributed teams and the importance of fostering a connected culture even when physical proximity was absent. So, how exactly has RingCentral adapted and even thrived in this remote-first world? It boils down to a few key areas: their robust product innovation, their focus on seamless integration, their commitment to reliability and security, and their understanding of the evolving needs of businesses. Let's talk about product innovation. RingCentral's UCaaS platform, known as RingEX, isn't just a collection of disparate tools. It's a deeply integrated ecosystem. They've continually enhanced features like HD voice and video conferencing, ensuring crystal-clear communication that mimics in-person interactions as closely as possible. Think about screen sharing, virtual whiteboards, and real-time document collaboration. These aren't just nice-to-haves anymore. They're essential for productive remote meetings. They've also recognized the importance of team messaging and task management, building these directly into their platform so teams can communicate, share files, assign tasks, and track progress all in one place. No more jumping between 5 different apps to get work done. A significant part of their adaptation has been their relentless pursuit of integrations. The modern workplace relies on a multitude of applications, from CRM systems like Salesforce to productivity suites like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. RingCentral understands that businesses don't want to overhaul their entire tech stack. Instead, they want their communication platform to seamlessly connect with the tools they already use. RingCentral has over 500 integrations, allowing for automated workflows and enhanced productivity. Imagine being able to make a call directly from your CRM or initiate a video meeting from within Microsoft Teams. This kind of interoperability is crucial for streamlining operations and reducing app fatigue, which is a real challenge for remote workers juggling multiple platforms. Reliability and security are also non-negotiable in the remote work landscape. When your entire workforce is distributed, any communication downtime can be catastrophic. RingCentral boasts a 99.999% uptime, which is practically unheard of. This level of reliability is backed by a robust cloud infrastructure and multiple global data centers. Furthermore, with sensitive business conversations happening over the internet, security is paramount. RingCentral employs enterprise-grade security controls and adheres to stringent compliance standards, giving businesses peace of mind that their data and communications are protected. This focus on security has become even more critical as cyber threats continue to evolve, and businesses need solutions they can truly trust. Beyond the technical aspects, RingCentral has also adapted by focusing on the human element of remote work. They understand that it's not just about providing tools, but about fostering connection and preventing isolation. Their platform facilitates regular team check-ins, virtual events, and informal conversations that mimic the water-cooler moments of an office. They encourage policies like video on for meetings to promote engagement and connection. They've even developed resources and playbooks to help businesses navigate the complexities of remote and hybrid work, sharing best practices for maintaining company culture, managing productivity, and supporting employee well-being. This holistic approach, recognizing that successful remote work is about more than just technology, truly sets them apart. Looking to the future, RingCentral is heavily investing in AI. They're integrating AI across their platform to enhance every aspect of business communication. Imagine an AI assistant that takes notes during meetings, transcribes calls, translates messages, and even refines your writing to improve clarity. Their AI receptionist can answer calls 24/7, route inquiries, handle FAQs, and even schedule appointments, transforming missed calls into new customer opportunities. And with RingSense, their conversation intelligence solution, businesses can unlock valuable insights from every customer interaction, providing real-time coaching and keeping CRM systems updated automatically. These AI-powered innovations are designed to further streamline workflows, improve efficiency, and elevate the overall communication experience for both employees and customers. The remote work trend is here to stay, evolving into a more prevalent hybrid model for many organizations. RingCentral's journey of adaptation isn't just about responding to a shift, it's about leading the way. By continually innovating their UCaaS platform, prioritizing integrations, ensuring unwavering reliability and security, and understanding the human side of remote collaboration, they are empowering businesses worldwide to embrace the future of work with confidence. They're not just selling a product, they're enabling a more flexible, productive, and connected way of working. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.